Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the interpolation for equal interval. This is a unit number 5, that's numerical methods, engineering mathematics 5. So in this one, so interpolation for equal interval. So basically first thing we have to discuss about Newton's forward interpolation formula. Right? So basically the formula is y is equal to y naught plus p delta y naught plus p into p minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 by 3 factorial into delta cube y naught plus so on. Right? So this is the basic formula for the Newton's forward interpolation formula. Right? So basically in this you need to understand what is y naught, p delta y naught, and all these terms you need to understand. Right? So we'll take up with some value of x. Okay, x and y values. x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, and 4. Similarly, corresponding y values y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, and so on. So in the formula, we have seen y0. Fine. Now here, delta y0. What is delta y0? Delta y0 is not same as this thing, delta y0. Okay. So delta y0. In order to find delta y0, we have to form another column. That is nothing but first difference table. Okay. First difference column we can say. Okay. So in this, basically what you have to do, you are going to find delta y0. Okay. Now, basically what you have to do, the down one minus the upper one you have to do. Fine. Second minus first, third minus second, then fourth minus third, like that. Okay. So basically you are going to subtract y1 minus y0. So y1 minus y0. Fine. Then so that will be nothing but delta y0. Okay. Then y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. That will give you delta y1. Then y3 minus y2, that will give you delta y2. So basically this terms. Okay. y1 minus y0, delta y0. y2 minus y1, delta y1. y3 minus y2, delta y2. Okay. Now you have to form one more table, that is nothing but second difference table. Okay. Column. In that you will get delta square y. Okay. Delta square y. So basically what you have to do, the answer whichever you get here, to just find the difference of that. Okay. So basically delta y1 minus delta y1 minus delta y0. Okay, that will give you delta square. Then again delta y2 minus delta y1, that will give you delta square y1. And so on, you have to proceed like this. Okay, so basic thing you have to understand is that in the formula, y0 is nothing but the first value of y1. Okay, plus p into delta y1. Now here p means x minus x0 by h. Now here p is nothing but x will be the value given in the question or the value asked. Find out the value of some value of x. So you have to substitute here that value. Okay. Then minus x0 will be the first value of x, and h is nothing but the width. Width means the interval. That means gap between these two terms. Okay, gap between these two terms. Now here x1 minus x0, you will get some value that is nothing but what, width. Now you have to check whether the equal widths are there or not. Width means the gap between the intervals or the terms, we can say. Okay, so basically we are considering only the equal intervals, so this formula is applicable for only the equal intervals. That means if you do x1 minus x0, you will give, suppose you get 2, okay, 2 hs2, then here also you will get it as the same, and 2, 2, 2, gap will be of 2, 2, 2, right?